Want to take full control of your BuddyBoss activity feed? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to customize activity filters and sorting options, giving you and your community a seamless and personalized experience. Whether you want to see updates from friends, groups, or mentions, or simply sort posts by the latest interactions, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. To begin, from your WordPress backend, navigate to BuddyBoss, Settings, Activity. Scroll down until you see the activity filters and sorting. Here, you'll find a list of available filters that you can enable, disable, or reorder to suit your community's needs. Let's take a quick look at the filters. For the activity feed filters, we have All Updates, which displays all activity updates across the platform. And as you can see, this filter is always enabled and cannot be turned off. We also have Created by Me, I've reacted to, from my groups, I'm mentioned in, from my connections, and I'm following. And for the profile timeline filters, which is on this page, we have personal posts that cannot be turned off as well. Reacted to, from groups, mentioned in, from connections, and following. These filters will only appear if specific components are enabled on your site. For example, if the social group component is disabled, the From Groups filter will not be shown in the list. If you want to change the order of the filters, simply click and drag them into your preferred position. For this example, I will move the following filter to the top. This will now become the default filter for all users. This allows you to prioritize the filters that matter most to your community. Next is the activity sorting options. These allow members to sort activity posts based on different criteria. There are two sorting options available. New Posts sorts activity posts based on their original posting time, displaying the most recently created posts first. This filter is always enabled and cannot be turned off. And Recent Activity sorts posts based on the latest interaction, so even older posts can appear at the top if they have new comments or interactions. To enable a sorting option, locate the one you want and check the box next to it. You can also reorder the sorting options by clicking and dragging them into your preferred position. This helps create a more customized experience for your community. Please note that activity filters are available on both the web and app, while activity sorting is currently only available on the web. Another option I want to discuss is the activity search. Previously, you cannot hide or disable it in the front end, but now you can. We've also redesigned the look of the activity search to make it more modern next to the new filters. Once you've made your changes, be sure to save your settings. Now, when users visit the activity feed, they'll see the filters and sorting options exactly as you configured them in the backend. Everything works seamlessly, ensuring a smooth and personalized experience. And that's it. You've successfully customized the BuddyBoss activity filters and sorting options. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more BuddyBoss tips. See you in the next one.